Okay, guys, we're here in Manchester, Connecticut. We're at a fall festival. I got some pierogies with some sauerkraut and some onion on it, and we're gonna rate it 1 through 10. Hold on. Leave a comment if you like pierogies. I like them. Oh yeah, this is good. It's got the cheese, the sauerkraut. I love sauerkraut. I got this from Dave's food truck. They said that they're all around Connecticut, so if you ever see them, try their pierogies. They got hot dogs, kibasas, and soda. All right. I'll rate this out of 1 to 10. I'll rate it a 7.5. I definitely will order it again next time I see them. Alright guys, that's my review. Like and subscribe. Thank you.